Welcome to our channel. Today, we're making a delicious chicken steak with sauce. Here's what you'll need: boneless chicken breast, salt, black pepper, olive oil, butter, garlic, chicken broth, and heavy cream. Season the chicken breast with salt and black pepper on both sides. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat, then add olive oil and butter. Add minced garlic to the pan and cook for 30 seconds. Add the seasoned chicken breast to the pan and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on each side, until golden brown and cooked through. Add chicken broth to the pan and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for a few minutes. Add heavy cream to the pan and stir until the sauce is thick and creamy. And there you have it, a delicious chicken steak with sauce that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes.